O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. Are you ready with the workbook, part 1?
Yes.
Please take page number 12. Please take page number 12. Workbook part 1, page number 12. The same page I will share on the screen also.
Book. Ma'am, page number.
You can see the same page on the screen. Page number 12.
Ma'am, which book?
Multiple choice questions. You got the same page?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Yes. Now all of you please listen here. We have number 1. The number name of 8. See the first one. The number name of 8 is dash. That means you have to tell me the correct spelling. Tirtha, please unmute and tell me. Option A, O-N-E. Option B, E-I-G-H-T. Option C, N-I-N-E. Option D, T-E-N, 10. What is the spelling, correct spelling? 8. This is the correct option? E-I-G-H-T, 8. So please go to tick mark for option B, 8. Write capital letter B inside the brackets. All of you please put tick mark for option B, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now, number 2. The number name of 7 is dash. Okay, John Paul, listen here. The number name of 7. That means you have to tell me the spelling, correct spelling. And option A, S-E-V-E-N. Option B, T-E-N. Option C, F-O-U-R. Option D, S-I-X. Which is the correct spelling? 7. John Paul? Is it A, B, Z, or D? 7. What's the spelling 7?
S-E-V.
Very good. S-E-V-E-N. So please put tick mark for option A and write capital letter A inside the brackets. That's very simple. We have number 3. The numeral, that means number. The numeral for 1 is dash. How we will write number 1? Harriet, which is the correct answer? Is it A, B, Z, or D? How we will write number 1? Which is the correct option?
C.
Option C. So you can put tick mark for option C and write a capital letter C inside the bracket. Good. Numeral means number. Okay. Numeral means number. Sebastian, where are you? Again, we have multiple choice questions. Number 4. Sebastian, listen here. Okay. There are dash birds in the cage. You can see the cage. Look at the cage carefully. There are dash birds in the cage. Option A, T-E-N 10. Option B, O-N-E 1. Option C, Z-E-R-O 0. And option D, N-I-N-E 9. Which is the correct answer, Sebastian?
0.
No, yes, option C. There are no birds. So option C, 0, Z-E-R-O. So put tick mark for option C and write a capital letter C inside the brackets. Now, question number 5. Shall we move to 5?
Yes.
Richard, unmute and tell me, okay? The numeral 4, you can see locks, no? Bundles of locks. The numeral 4 is dash. How many are there, Richard? How many bundles are there? Half. There are 4. So 4 tens. What is 4 tens? 4 tens means is A 40, B 20, C 60, D 80. Which is the correct answer? 4 tens means 40. So option A 40. So put tick mark for option A and write capital letter A inside the brackets. Now next we have question number 6. Alice Maria, please unmute. Okay. And listen here. The place value of 2 in 25. So let us write the number 25 and let's mark the places. So here we can see at a 10 space it is 2, 1 space it is 5. The place value of 2 in 25. Option A 50, option B 2 tens, option C 2 ones, option D 5. Which is the correct answer? Miss Maria? 2 is at the 10 space, no? So what is the answer?
2 tens.
2 tens. So please put tick mark option B 2 tens and write capital letter B inside the bracket. Good, good. Now those who have completed, please tick page number 13.
Ma'am, but they have not completed.
Completed, good.
I have
So we can move to page number 13.
Yes.
Okay, now page number 13. We have fill in the blanks. We have fill in the blanks. Here there are no options. Okay. And fill in the blanks, the first one, 7th one, question number 7. And we have the ones digit in 43. Let us see if the number 43. Let us mark the places tens and ones. Here we can see at the 10 space the digit is 4. 1 space the digit is 3. So the question is the ones digit in 43. Ayon Jomi, which digit is in ones place? Is it 4 or 3? Ones place, what is the digit? Is it 4 or 3?
4 tens.
4 tens means 4 is at a 10 space. 3 ones means the 3 is at a 1 space. Okay. So the ones digit in 43 is, it is 3. So you can mark the places. Then it is easy for you. So if you are marking the places here tens and ones, you can write easily the digit. The 1 space we can see the digit is 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, question number 8. Aldrin, the tens digit in 19. See, 1, 9, 19. Let's mark the places. Here we can see 1 is at the 10 space, 9 is at the 1 space. The question is, the tens digit, 10 space digit in 19. Is it a 1 or 9, Aldrin?
1.
1. Very good. So you can write the number 1. 1 is the answer. You can mark the places. So it's easy. You can write here tens and ones. Now we have number 9. And the question is the number name of 50. Faith Pradap, tell me the number name of 50. What's the spelling? 50.
F-I-F-F-T-Y.
Very good. F-I-F-T-Y. All of you please write the spelling. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. So shall we move to number 10?
Can I go?
Anthony Naidu, please unmute. Okay.
Ma'am, can
Now
I drink water?
we have question number 10. Count the number of locks in the given picture. Write its number and number name. So here you can see the bundles of tens and ones. Anthony Naidu, how many tens are there?
3 tens.
Very good. It's 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. So here we can write it 3 tens. How many ones, my dear?
7 ones.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 tens and 7 ones. What's the number? 3 tens, 7 ones. What's the number? 37. Okay. The number is 37. Now tell me the spelling. THIRTYSEVEN. 37. All of you, please write the answer.
Ma'am, next to shoe.
Completed.
No,
Then we can
ma'am.
move to next.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No.
please write. Now, number 11. Shall we move? Number 11.
Yes.
We have how many places do 2-digit numbers have? How many places are there, Rehat Fatima? For a 2-digit number, how many places are there?
And 1.
There are 2 places. Which are the places?
Tens and 1.
Very good. Tens and ones. So TWO, 2 places. PLACES, 2 places. All of you, please write the answer. Now we have question number 12. Question number 12. Count the number of locks in the given picture. You can see the number of locks below the question. Write its number and number name. Hisam, how many tens and how many ones? Hisam, how many tens and how many ones, Hisam?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Louder. How many tens?
tens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say 6 tens and
1.
here we can see only 1 1. So 6 tens and 1 1. What's the number?
61.
61. Now tell me the spelling 61. SIXTY. ONE 61. All of you, please write the answer. 6 tens and 1 1. 61.
Ma'am, I have a completed.
Okay, good. So next we have question number 13. Write the number names of A. Ayan Jojo, what we call 3 6. What's the number name 3 6?
36.
36. Okay, now we can write the spelling. 3 6 36. What's the spelling 36? T H I R T Y S I X 36. Now the next one B, and B we have 4 9. Basil, what we call 4 9? Basil, what's the number name 4 9? 49. Okay, what's the spelling 49? Basil, unmute and tell me. 49. F.
F
Uh,
F O
uh,
R
uh.
T Y.
FORTYNINE. There is no U in 40. FORTYNINE. 49.
9.
Okay, good. So please complete the answer.
Finish.
So shall we move to the next one? Those who have completed, please take page number 14.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Mama, I have a complete. Ma'am, I have a completed.
Is there Dhananjay today? Is there Dhananjay? What about Elon Antonio? Elon?
Which number?
Elon is present? Rida Mariam?
Page number. Yes, ma'am.
Who is present? Rida Mariam is present?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So please take a page number 14. Are you ready?
Ma'am,
Now, just 1 minute. Could you take the page number 14? So shall we move to question number 14?
Yes.
And question number 14 we have write the correct place values of the digits in the number 35. Write the correct place values of the digits in the number 35. So all of you please write the answer. Once again write the number 35 and at the top we can mark the places. So T here, O here, tens and ones. And below we can write 35 is equal to how many tens and how many ones? Rida Mariam, how many tens and how many ones in 35? Tell me louder. 3 tens and 5 ones. 3 tens and 5 ones.
3 10 4 6 7 8 9
3 tens and 5 ones.
40 40 60 70 20 21 22 I have completed.
Okay, good. So let us do one more question, then we can go to the revision. Okay. So we have question number 15. A number has 1 in the tens place and 7 in the ones place. Okay. Let's mark the places first. Now it's given here, a number has 1 in the tens place. So tens place, we can write the number 1 and 7 in the ones place. So we can write 7 in the ones place. Find the number. What's the number are now? 1 at the tens place, 7 at the ones place. What's the number?
17.
17. So all of you please write 1 7 17. The number is 1 7 17. If you want to mark tens and ones, you can mark the tens and ones also. So the number is 17. Now, those who have completed up to 15, you can close your workbook. We will continue in the next class. Let's have some revisions for this chapter 1 shapes. Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
The same pages I will forward in the group also. So those who join late or those who have the network issues, you don't worry, I will send in the group, the workbook pages. Okay. Now
Okay,
you can
ma'am.
close your workbook. Those who have completed can close your workbook and please listen to ma'am. Let's revise chapter 1 shapes. And yesterday I sent a revision worksheet. Those who have completed in the notebook, very good. And those who didn't complete, it's okay, no problem. Now, no need to write in the notebook. Listen to ma'am. Let's discuss the answers. With answer, I will send in the group. The worksheet I will send in the group with answer. So that time you can copy the answers. And we have,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, this is a worksheet I sent yesterday. Okay. Now, all of you please listen here.
Ma'am, we want to write. Ma'am, we want to write.
Is there anyone to complete? Okay, good. Isa Jolie already written. Very good.
Ma'am, we want
Now,
to write.
okay. Now, no need to write the answer now. Okay, let us discuss the answer. Now we have fill in the blanks. Okay, and we have the first one. A square has dash equal sides. Isa Jolie, how many equal sides are there for a square? Isa?
4 equal sides.
There are 4 equal sides. So we can write the number 4 here. A square has 4 equal sides. A square has 4 equal sides. Now, question number 2. Which shape has no sides? Which shape has no sides? What is the answer? It is circle. Which shape has no sides? Circle. Now, Arun Pelijo, what's the spelling circle? C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Circle has no sides, no corners. Now, we have question number 3. What is the shape of a globe? Darsh Krishna, tell me the answer. What is the shape of a globe? What is the shape of a globe, Darsh Krishna? Sphere.
Sphere.
Okay, what's the spelling of sphere? S P H E R E. Sphere. What is the shape of a globe? The answer is sphere. Now, question number 4. What is the shape of a 10 rupee note? Niveda, what is the shape of a 10 rupee note? Rupee note. What is the shape? Rectangle. See, all are telling the answer. I know you are very much thorough with the answers, but when I am calling the name, let them tell the answer. Okay. So, what is the shape of a 10 rupee note? It's rectangle. 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 Now, question number 5. Sai Krishna, tell me the answer. Okay, give an example of a cone-shaped object. One example for a cone-shaped object. Sai Krishna, one example for cone-shaped object. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Cone-shaped object.
Cone shape.
We can say ice cream cone or birthday cap. Okay, Sai Krishna. You can say ice cream cone or birthday cap. So here I am writing birthday cap. BIRTHDAY. Birthday cap. CAP cap. So an example for cone shape object, birthday cap. And not only for this MCQ, we have written examination also. Okay, 20 mark MCQ and 20 mark written. So the remaining questions are that type of questions may come in the written examination. So you have to write and study the spelling, the 4 flat figures and the solid shapes. Now let us see the 6th question. Name the 4 flat figures. Name the 4 flat figures. And Shiva, which are the flat figures? Tell me the answer. Which are the flat figures? 4 flat figures. Triangle. Square. Triangle. Square. Circle. And rectangle. RECTANGLE. Triangle, square, circle, and rectangle. So these are the 4 flat figures. Then identify the shapes of the following objects. Shape. Okay, identify the shapes of the following objects. Darshak, please unmute and see what is the first object A. It's a bowl and the shape is sphere. SPHERE. Good boy. Now, Vedic Vinod, what about the next object? It's a birthday cap. What is the shape? Cone. 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 Now, we can move to the next one. Now, Mohammed Aidin, what about the C? We can see a tin. What is the shape of the tin? Mohammed Aidin? Cylinder. See, the answer is cylinder. What's the spelling? CYLINDER. Cylinder. Now we have the last object, that is, it's a tissue box, no? Tissue box. Andrea, what is the shape of the tissue box? Is it a cube or cuboid? Is it a cube or cuboid? Cuboid. 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 So a bowl having the shape of a sphere, birthday cap, cone, tin, it's cylinder, and tissue box, it's cuboid. Now question number 8. Draw the bases of the given object. See, bases. Okay. Name the shapes of foam. Draw the bases of the given objects. Base means the bottom part. So here we have the first one. What is the shape of, what is the base? Shape of the base. First one.
Fire.
Arshika, what is the shape? What is the shape of base?
Fire.
Ah, square. What's the spelling? S Q U A R E. Square.
A-R-E.
E. Square. Now we have one more.
Rectangle.
Ah, yes. That's a book. Now its base is a rectangle. So let's draw the rectangle. Now the spelling RECTANGLE, rectangle. So the worksheet with the answer I will send in the group now. So you can copy that. And now you have to do one thing. You have to take your notebook, take the last page, write and study the spelling. See, triangle, square, rectangle, circle. Write and study 3 times. Triangle, square, rectangle, circle. After that, you can write and study 3 times the spelling of solid shapes. Cube, cone, cuboid, cylinder and sphere. After the class also, you please write and study only 3 times in the back page of the notebook or rough book. Please take a notebook, all of you. Please take notebook. Take last page. And write and study the spelling.
Flat figures or solid figures?
Into right back page of the book.
Say and write the spelling. Okay, say and write. TRIANGLE, triangle. SQUARE, square. RECTANGLE, rectangle. CIRCLE, circle. Dhananjay is here. Dhananjay? Dhananjay is absent. Then one more. Elon Antonio. Elon. Elon is also absent. See, afternoon I will send the revision test in the group. Revision test link in the group. So you have to attend it. Okay. Chapter 1 revision test link I will send in the group. So please attend it. So thank you for joining. We will meet in the next class. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Write and study the spelling.